Welcome to 5121 Lunata Way, where style meets comfort, here in beautiful Round Rock, Texas. I'm Daum, fortunate to be a realtor in Central Texas. Let's go take a tour. This gorgeous home has that perfect curb appeal. A pretty front yard, a welcoming entry, and just the right mix of modern and classic touches. Come on in. You're greeted by bright, open spaces that feel like home right from the very first step. The dining room features a high tray ceiling that instantly adds a sense of openness and elegance to the space. This elevated detail draws the eye upward, making the room larger and grand while still warm and inviting. Natural light from the wall of windows floods the great room, making this beautiful space perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or curling up with a good book. And can we talk about this kitchen? Beautiful countertops, roomy cabinets, and a huge gathering island that's begging for Sunday brunch or a quick morning coffee before you head out the door. The primary suite with an impressive bay window is your personal retreat, spacious, peaceful, and ready for your cozy touches. The ensuite bathroom? Let's just say it has spa day written all over it. And how about the huge primary closet? Down the hall for plenty of privacy is a secondary bedroom. You could also use this great space as a study, craft room, or use it for your yoga practice. And here is a secondary full bath with lovely tile shower, beautiful cabinetry, and granite counter. The large laundry room also has lovely cabinetry and a designer light fixture. Look at this fabulous back porch. The retractable screens make the transition from indoor to outdoor living seamless. You'll so love this space where you can enjoy your sweet tea or look at the bright Texas stars. Step outside to your backyard oasis with a raised garden for your green thumb. And with the field behind, sometimes you'll hear the cows calling. The Heritage at Vizcaya community is designed for a 55-plus lifestyle with tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball courts, plus regular classes like yoga, Zumba, and other fitness offerings. The private clubhouse known as the Lodge features fitness and aerobic spaces, card and craft rooms, and billiards, creating a true social hub for all the residents. Plus, you're in a friendly neighborhood close to retail, grocery, medical, and great schools. 5121 Lunata Way. Fun, fresh, and full of charm. It has it all. Ready to see it in person? Let's make that happen. Give me a call today.